Today, we're diving into something that every single one of us faces on this journey. And honestly, it can derail even the best intentions if we let it. It's negative thinking. You know, that voice in your head that says, "I'll never get this right," or "I messed up again." But here's the good news. You can break that cycle. In this video, I'm going to share 3 powerful mindset shifts that will help you stop those negative loops, reset your mind, and get you back on track, not just with keto, but with your confidence and your life. So stick around until the end, because I'll also share a simple 30-second mental exercise you can use anytime those negative thoughts start to take over. Point number 1, move your body, shift your mind. Have you ever noticed how negativity feels heavy? It's like carrying a weight on your chest. The fastest way to lift that weight is to move. When you move your body, even something as simple as a 10-minute walk, you literally change your brain chemistry. Endorphins rise, stress hormones drop, and suddenly that "I can't do this" feeling begins to fade. I call it the movement reset. And here's the best part. You don't need a treadmill or a gym membership to do it. Just move, step outside, feel the sunshine, breathe deeply. If you're tracking your macros all day, start tracking your mood once in a while. You'll see the shift happen in real time. Movement doesn't just burn fat, it burns mental fog. And it helps you come back to your goals with a clearer head. Point number 2, connect with someone. Don't battle it alone. Negative thoughts feed on isolation. When you're alone with your thoughts, they echo louder. But the moment you reach out, whether it's to a friend, a keto accountability partner, or even your Facebook keto group, something changes. You're no longer trapped in your head. You're connected, supported, and reminded that you're not failing. You're human. Here's a simple tip. Have a go-to person you can text when you're feeling off track. Even just saying, "Hey, today's been rough, but I'm hanging in there," breaks that mental loop. You'd be surprised how many people will respond with, "Me too." That's the power of community. It heals when isolation magnifies. And remember, when you take time to encourage others, you strengthen your own mindset. Helping someone else out of their dark space often pulls you right out of yours. Point number 3. Redirect your energy. Engage in something you love. When negative thoughts build up, your brain needs a new outlet. Instead of arguing with your own mind, give it something better to do. Try doing one small, enjoyable task that fully absorbs your attention. Cook a new keto recipe, go for a drive with your favorite music, play with your pet, garden, read. When you focus on something you love, your nervous system calms down. You shift from survival mode to creativity mode. I call this the joy redirect. It's not about ignoring problems. It's about rewiring your focus so you can come back to your goals refreshed, not defeated. Here's the truth. Breaking negative thought cycles isn't about being perfect. It's about awareness. It's about catching that thought mid-spiral and saying, no, not today. Move your body. Reach out for support. Engage in what brings you joy. And every time you do, you're proving to yourself that you're stronger than the thought that tried to stop you. If this message spoke to you today, give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and share it with someone who might need a little boost. Remember, keto isn't just a diet. It's a lifestyle that begins in your mind. Keep your thoughts strong, your body fueled, and your confidence high. See you in the next video.